Executive Vice President at Lumina Datamatics. Lumina Datamatics is involved in service delivery of content technology to publishers and retailers across the globe, right? And when we got this opportunity of working with, Muzhiyan Kulam at this place, it literally, perfectly aligned with the ESG goals of the organization, of the company, which is steered by our CEO, Samir Kanodia. In fact, what Samir says is when it comes to environment, it is something which we have borrowed from the future generations, and therefore we have to give it in the same form to the future. We have no right to pollute it. And this was a great opportunity for us. First, it aligns with the national goals of water conservation of Bharat, India. And second, it gives us tremendous opportunity to give back to the community, right? While we grow in our business, it's very important that the societal value that we deliver to the society also grows. It was a fantastic opportunity to get involved in this. We have an excellent framework for evaluating the opportunities, right, which come up on our ESG activities. This was a very high impact project, and we are very honored, we are very privileged, and we are very humbled to be a part of this. And we certainly look forward to more such opportunities, right, wherein we'll evaluate them meaningfully and participate in it. One of the great things which happened in this project is a lot of stakeholders came together, the communities, right, the industry, and also the government. Together we created this beautiful pond in the last few months. It's an achievement which certainly all of us should cherish, and the benefits certainly all of you know. One, it certainly is the water retention. Second, water storage. It creates biodiversity. At the same time, it recharges, the groundwater as well. And the local community is dependent on it.